Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter Zeta to Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So letter Zeta is the sixth letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase Zeta. So the LaTeX code is a backslash followed by lowercase Zeta. Now to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So when we run the cell, we have a lowercase zeta here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. And we can also look at adding in a capital Zeta. So this is a backslash followed by capital Z and then lowercase eta. And we'll add in $2 symbols before and $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run the cell, we have a capital Zeta here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add a lowercase and capital Zeta to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.